Hey everyone! Welcome back to Review Kitchens, your trusted source for the best kitchen gadget reviews. Today, we're diving into the Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 air fryer. This mighty appliance promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Nuwave Brio isn't just an air fryer, it's a 10-in-1 culinary marvel. With 100 pre-programmed menu presets, you can grill, air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, reheat, defrost, and toast with ease. Plus, it offers 50 memory slots to save your own recipes. Perfect for busy households, this air fryer is all about making your life easier and your meals tastier. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to the website where you can buy it at the best price. The Brio's linear thermal, linear T, technology is a game changer. This feature allows you to fine-tune your temperature settings from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. It continuously monitors temperature fluctuations and makes constant adjustments to ensure your food is cooked perfectly every time. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals. Need to tweak the temperature or cooking time mid-cycle? No problem. The Brio's intuitive digital controls let you make adjustments on the fly without restarting the cooking process. The cool white display is easy to read in any lighting, ensuring you're always in control. Craving fried foods without the guilt? The Brio uses superheated air and efficient airflow design to cook crispy, delicious food with 98% less oil. It's perfect for making your favorite fried foods healthier. Plus, you can cook straight from frozen, saving you time and effort. Nobody likes cleaning up, but the Brio makes it a breeze. Its ultra non-stick air circulation riser and premium stainless steel reversible rack are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Every detail of the Brio has been meticulously crafted by Nuwave chefs and their R&D team. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, the Brio has the perfect feature and recipe to inspire your culinary creations. Positive points: extremely versatile with 10-in-1 functionality. Patented linear T technology ensures precise cooking. Easy on-the-fly adjustments. Healthier cooking with minimal oil. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts. Chef-inspired features and recipes. Negative points: the size may take up more counter space. The digital controls might have a learning curve for some users. Should you buy it? So, should you buy the Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 air fryer? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine while enjoying a variety of perfectly cooked meals. Its versatility, precision, and ease of use make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.